Todd at NC Solar Electric. I'm here to show you a Hoymiles microinverter that works with large solar panels over 720 watts. Check this out. Okay, this is the HM1500N. Not the NT, but the NHS. This one is a 4-panel microinverter, but with 4 panels, it really only has 2 MPPTs, not 4 like the HMS2000. Inputs 1 and 2 are a single MPPT, and inputs 3 and 4 are also a single MPPT. So there's only 2 MPPTs. You can get Y adapters and take the positive inputs and the negative inputs and pair them to one large panel, giving you a microinverter on each half that can do up to 720 watts AC. Seriously, a microinverter that does 720 watts AC. I've got the new kit. It's available at NC Solar Electric and the microinverterstore.com. And it includes the microinverter, the Y connectors for both sides. So 2 pair of Y connectors. It has a relatively long cable already, but in the kit you also get an extension cable. The extension cable is about 2 meters. It has an end on both ends. I took the end off here and I put it in here with a end cap to seal this terminal and then attach the cable here. Now this is not 120 volts. This is a 240 volt microinverter meant for real normal NEC approved permitted solar connections, not plug-in PV, unless you have a 240 volt plug, which actually works. So you can get this kit at NC Solar Electric at the microinverterstore.com. And next, I'm going to hook this up and show that with my 550 watt panels, I'm going to get over 600 watts output from one panel on each of these inverters, maybe more. I have 400 watt panels that I've seen push 500. I have a 550 watt panel. It could do 650 watts. I don't know. It's always been clipped at 515. Now my clipping is at 720 watts. 720 watts DC from a microinverter. That's amazing. Get one now. I only have 4 in stock. Y'all take care. Bye-bye. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I only have 4 in stock. You can get one kit to do 8 panels, or I can sell 4 individual microinverters, however you want it. But stock is limited at the moment. I'll be getting more next month if these sell. And you can pick them up right now at the microinverterstore.com. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.